One more time. Okay. Got my tachometer hooked up with my speed control. Alright. Got it set, adjusted. Yeah. About something thousand spacing. All the belts are nice and snug, nice and tight. Got my circuit board hooked up. My MC60 piggybacked with a 12-volt power supply for the fans, for the towers, for the little cooling towers. I got an 8 terminal block, 8 connection terminal block mounted to the DC 120 volt DC motor. Got stuff all taped up. I will cover that up with a case as soon as I figure it's going to work. And it looks like all the wiring may be good. L1, V1, V2, U1, U2. Everything look all hooked up. Okay. One extra wire, set of wires for the fan for it. And they are right here. Okay. I'll hook those up when I get this in there. Got my light all adjusted up here. Got more cotton picking wires than you can under here. Looks like a Maserati. Alright. And I got an 8 terminal block, 8 contact terminal block mounted inside the cage that will be closed and not have to open up until I have to change my gears for the threading operation. The switch is wired up for forward and reverse, best I can tell. Light. I'm about to plug it in to see what happens. I've got one plug to deal with. One plug. She shouldn't blow. Oh. Safety first. You got the safety bypass switch down in there. Alrighty. Let's see what you got. Alright, so far so good. Nothing popped. Of course, no power has been applied yet until the contactor is engaged. And I'm about to hit. Let's see what happens here now. Ready? 2, 3. Alright. Looks like I'm good. Little fan's running. Hi. Thank you, Jesus. All the lights are lit, indicating I have power to the circuit board. I've got power to the secondary power supply for the fans to keep it cool. My tachometer is functioning. Now, next step is to see if this thing will turn the chuck. Ready? Forward. Nothing. Nothing. Not a thing. Alright. Wired up something wrong. Let me kill it. See what's going on here. I've got something not wired up correctly because I've got no power to the motor. Alright, let's step back and regroup.